Hi, this is Sangeeta, Assistant Professor, Electronics and Communication Engineering Department, SNS College of Engineering. So, in today's session, we are going to see about the SFR. So, what is SFR? First, we should know what is SFR. So, SFR stands for Special Function Registers. So, as I already said in the previous lecture series, that is in architecture of 8051. So it has the 8051 has 32 general purpose registers and internal RAM capacity of 128 bytes, and it is the 128 bytes is again divided into 4 register banks, and 128 bytes for and some space is reserved for special function registers. So uh, so it is mainly for direct addressing. So next, the 8051 microcontroller special function register act as a control table that monitor and control the operation of 8051 microcontroller. In internal RAM structure, the address space from 80H to FFH is allotted for SFR. That is, out of this 128 memory location, 80F to FF, there are only 21 locations that are actually assigned to SFR. So each SFR has one byte address and also unique name which specifies its purpose, since the SFR are a part of internal RAM structure. So there are totally 21 registers available in SFR. That is, there are totally 21 special function registers. That the first one is A or ACC, that is accumulator, and B register, and DPTR, that is data pointer. It is divided into two 8 bits. So DPTR is a 16-bit register and it can be divided into two registers, DPL and DPH, and IE, that is interrupt enable, IP, that is interrupt priority. So using this register we can set the interrupt priority, and there are 4 registers, P0, P1, P2, P3. It is mainly used for ports. That is, P means a port pins. So each and port 0, port 1 and port 3, port 2, so all the 4 ports have the registers. And next one is PCON, that is power control. It is mainly used for power control. And PSW means program status word, and SCON, SBUF is mainly SCON and SBUF, SCON, SBUF and PCON is belongs to serial port. So SCON means serial control and SBuffer means the serial buffer. That is, serial buffer register is used to hold the received data and to be transmitted data. So next one is SP, is a stack pointer, and T mode, TCON, TL0, TH0, TL1, TH1 or belongs to these registers or belongs to timer register. So the T mode is a timer mode control, that is, it is used to select the mode of the timer. TCON register is used to control the timer counter function, and T0, that is, T0 is divided into, again it is divided into two separate register, TL0, that is lower order bytes of T0. TH0 means higher order bytes of TH0, and TL1 and TH1 are lower order bytes of T1 and higher order bytes of T1 respectively. So these are the registers, these are the 21 registers is a special function registers. So these are the address details of internal RAM address, that is address details of SFR. And in this video in this 7 registers are bit addressable. So what is first we should know what is bit addressable. So bit addressable SFR in 8051 microcontroller allows direct access and manipulation of individual bits with an SFR. So instead of having to read or write the entire byte of an SFR, we can manipulate just one bit of the SFR at a time. For example, P1, that is P1 port pins, accumulator, and PSW, PSW, IP, IE, or the bit addressable. Other registers are byte addressable, but these 7 registers are bit addressable. So for example, P1, that is P1 means port 1 is a bit addressable. So and each pin corresponds to one of the 8 pins on port 1. So if you want to set pin 3 of port 1 to a logic high, we can write the value 1 to the bit addressable SFR P1.3, that is set P1.3. Similarly, if we want to clear the same pin, we can write the value 0, that is CLR P1.3. So this feature of bit addressable SFR is especially used for controlling individual pins or flags within an SFR, so which can help reduce the number of instructions required to perform a specific task. So these are the details of SFR and micro memory locations. Thank you.